Hey, this is Blake with Mind Over Mycology. We are going to see how many mushrooms we can find at our local park. Got some Dacromyces, puffballs, purple Cortinarius, bunch of Sterium, little baby Amanita, some Sabacina, and a Russula. You can tell it's a Russula because it will snap like a piece of chalk. Just like that. Bird's nest fungus. Got some lichen. Serum felina. Lilac anosopy. Cutest little patch of honeys ever. Beautiful old man of the woods. Picaria. Let's see how purple these ones are. Oh yes. And that's what we found here today at our local park.